Have you ever wondered how pancake puffs are made? What if I told you that you could create these fluffy spheres of goodness right in your own kitchen? Indeed, pancake puffs, also known as æbelskivers in Denmark, are a delightful treat that you can easily whip up at home. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets behind making perfect pancake puffs. First, gather all the ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 1¼ cups of buttermilk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Start by whisking the dry ingredients together in a large bowl. That's the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar. Next, in a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Beat the egg, then add the buttermilk and melted butter. Stir until all the ingredients are well combined. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Remember, a few lumps in the batter are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancake puffs, and we certainly don't want that. Once your batter is ready, it's time to heat up your pancake puff pan. This specialized pan has several round indentations that will give your pancake puffs their unique shape. Coat each indentation with a bit of butter and heat over medium heat. Once the butter starts to sizzle, you're ready to pour in the batter. Fill each indentation about 2/3 full. This allows room for the pancake puffs to expand as they cook. Here comes the tricky part: flipping the pancake puffs. Once the bottom side is golden brown, use a skewer or a chopstick to flip each puff over. Allow the other side to cook until golden brown as well. Once done, remove the pancake puffs from the pan and place them on a serving plate. Pancake puffs are best served warm. Some prefer them with a dusting of powdered sugar, others with a drizzle of syrup or a dollop of jam. However, they are just as delicious on their own. And there you have it, the art of making pancake puffs. By following these steps, you can enjoy these fluffy, spherical delights at home anytime you like. In summary, pancake puffs are a delightful treat that hail from Denmark. They're made by combining a simple batter of flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, egg, buttermilk, and butter. The batter is then poured into a special pancake puff pan and cooked until golden brown on both sides. With a little practice, you too can master the art of making pancake puffs. Remember, the key to perfect pancake puffs is not to overmix the batter and to patiently wait for each side to cook to a golden brown before flipping. So why not give it a try? Happy cooking!